Hey YouTube, take a look at that. I got the door open. It's finally starting to get a little nice here in Ohio. I've ran my welding table out there, took the welder out, and let's see what's on the docket for today. Just finished the Sunday morning live show with Big Dog Forge. As always, it was a entertaining show. Let's take a walk. I'll pick the tripod up. Try not to swing it around too much. But just last weekend, I cleaned that off. But we're going to weld those together first. Then I'm going to take those legs and weld up the striking anvil. And then all this in here. And that little bit right there is a new project that I'm really excited about. That's a box of hardware for it. Let's take a look at the welding table. It looks kind of shiny, doesn't it? Every so often I take a angle grinder and grind all those little BBs and weld marks and all that off the top of it. And then I give it a coat of this stuff. Let's see if we can move around here so it's not anti-spatter. It keeps those little beads and balls from sticking to the table so much. And I think it helps. I don't know, I may be dreaming. But I use it because I think it helps. Let's fire up the old Miller and start welding some of those guillotine tools together. You can see there on the end of the blacksmithing bench. I'll get you all set up and then we'll get started. Okay, time to get started. A little breezy. I hope it's not too windy or breezy from my welder here. I already centered this one all up and it's ready to tack on and weld, so let's do this. And I got a total of 7 on the table and probably that many more to do. Looks good to me. Well, we've got a little porosity in the middle of that one. Might have to put up a shield for the wind. Let's stop and do that. Let's fix this side. That looks better. I guess I should tell you, I sprayed all these down with that anti-spatter spray so that it wouldn't stick and leave those beads stuck all over everything. get on with it. Woo! I stopped and ate some lunch and was watching Ting Ting down there in County Line Forge in North Carolina, and heard it starting to rain out here, so I came out because I had some stuff sitting outside for it to get rained on. So now the next step is just to take a wire brush, and that kind of cleans up that base a little bit. Got 14 of them done. I think I've got the dies cut, 3 sets of dies with the butcher. Sometimes those little beads stick a little bit tougher than the brush wants to brush. But there you go. Here's something I want to mention. If you see anything on my Etsy store, I have it made up, and I have it ready to ship. Some of it I don't pack, like these. I won't pack these till you place the order, because a lot of people add extra dies to the order, and I don't want to have to open a box up to add dies to it, so I'll just pack these up as the orders come. But I have them in the shop ready to go. Like the striking handles and the swage blocks, I don't list those on my Etsy store until they're packed up, ready to go to the post office. That way I can get my orders filled and out the door quicker. You may have to wait for me to list it, but once you order it and pay the money, it'll be on the way in just a couple days. I can't go to the post office every day. I try to go twice a week. There at first I was going once a week, but it got to be too many packages. So I have been known to go 3 times, according to the orders. And another thing, if you have a name for your shop or your forge, or you have a YouTube channel, when you place an order, put that in the comments or something on the order. That way I can look you up, give you a sub, watch what you're doing. I'm living my blacksmithing experience through YouTube because I just don't have time to do it right now. So I'd like to know what your YouTube channel name is, or your, because I don't know everyone's name, where you're from. So if you place an order, put those 2 little things in there, your forge name and your YouTube channel. A lot of times it's the same thing. Okay, I'll get these cleaned up, get the dies cut, and then I wrap that cellophane stretch wrap or shipping wrap so that everything stays together. Thanks for watching.